We're at SEMA 2017 with Auto Parts Warehouse. I'm Paul Tapier. All right, polyurethane bushings from Energy Suspension. All right, Sean, here we go. My wife has a 2012 VW Jetta. I also have it. It's a 2.5.
Yeah.
I have one too, except I have to have a manual transmission.
Everybody likes to row their own.
Yeah, I do. I got a row, and I told my wife, the day I stop buying a car with a manual transmission is the day you can just put me in the home. Okay, because I like the performance. I have some R-Line products on my car, but I hate to say it, I do have some stock bushings. How can you help if you're a VW owner like me?
So these are a known failure point on a lot of the Volkswagen Golfs, the Jettas, the GLIs, the GTIs. The factory control arm bushings are nice and compliant, and they're meant to make you have a nice soft ride, but not everybody likes Cadillacs. If you're buying a sports car like a GTI, you want a firm feel in your drivetrain and in your suspension, and you don't want that deflection that you get with those rubber bushings. So this is the best solution for that situation. The bushings are tuned, durometer, specifically made for each individual section, and they're going to provide the best performance for the end user.
So are these new for SEMA 2017, or are these things that Energy's been doing for years?
We've been pioneering polyurethane engineered components for almost 35 years. This particular product is new for SEMA this year. We've been able to roll our product up from the Mark V and Mark VI platform of the Volkswagens. So that includes a lot of the modern cars. And this is a complete kit. So we have one part number, and you can order every single one of these all in one box.
And we have a VW here on the floor that we're going to go and explore in just a minute with Sean here from Energy Components to see how we tricked out this ride and to give it that extra performance as well. Paul Tapier from Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA.